The test for a grounded compressor. I've got it set on ohms here. I've got the wires disconnected. Always isolate whatever component you're checking so that you're only checking the component. You're not checking the wires and everything between the wires. Now in here you got these little brass connectors down inside. Right there is a little brass connector. That is not the terminal. This metal right here is a terminal. So I've got this probe grounded. I'm going to touch this metal right here. There. And then over here, we're showing resistance. That's grounded. That's grounded. And that's grounded. To show resistance to ground on a compressor, the compressor is grounded.